वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी द लार्जेस्ट ऑनलाइन ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के एटीसी के सिलेबस और कट ऑफ और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स के बारे में। आई एम गोना टेल यू द syllabus and cut off and important topics. Please do remember hard work and smart work will give you success. So let me tell you about myself. I am Vice Shravan Kumar, having 7+ years of teaching experience and mentored more than 5K students for GATE and engineering services and cracked GATE. Also, let me quickly give you how to install an Academy Learning app. Just type an Academy Learning app in Google Play Store. You'll get this install. Just click on that. And if you're opting for GATE and engineering services or any other, you can just click on that and click on this plus subscription and click get subscription. Once you do that, you'll have iconic and plus subscriptions. You'll get a dedicated mentor for your iconic subscription, and you can use my code as YSK10 to get the maximum discount of 10% and click on this proceed to pay. अगर आप आए तो डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, ईएमआई, यूपीआई, वैलेट्स और नेट बैंकिंग किसी भी तरह से पेमेंट कर सकते हो और यू कैन गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन टू एन अकेडमी। चलो अब देखते हैं एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के सबसे बड़ी नोटिफिकेशन, रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ मैनेजर्स एंड जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव्स इन मेजर डिसिप्लिन्स। आज हम देखेंगे इसकी सिलेबस क्या है, कट ऑफ क्या है, इसकी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स क्या है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट मच टाइम ऑन प्रिपरेशन। आपको सिलेबस की क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं और कट ऑफ कौन सा गया, कैसा गया। एंड ऑल्दो यू डोंट हैव नेगेटिव मार्किंग, ये पता चलने की बहुत जरूरत है कि यू नीड टू नो व्हाट इज द कट ऑफ एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स टू प्रिपेयर। चलो देखते हैं सिलेबस के बारे में। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द सिलेबस इन ब्रीफ। सो जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव एटीसी की सिलेबस देख रहे हैं हम। आई एम जस्ट मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन एटीसी। you'll have two parts, part A and part B, which is 50% weightage to this and 50% weightage to this. And you'll have 60 questions, total 60 questions related to English language की जो है ना, you'll have 20 English language, you have 20 marks, and general intelligence and reasoning 15 marks, general aptitude numerical ability 15 marks, general knowledge and awareness 10 marks. और part B में आए तो you have physics and mathematics combinedly, you'll have 30 and 30 questions, and this is a bilingual question paper. You have total 120 questions and total marks of 120, and the duration is also 120 minutes, and there will be no provision of negative marking. ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात हुई। Now let's see what is the cutoff. Let's see what is the cutoff in the previous years. I've just taken one or two to just tell you where exactly the cutoff is. So the cutoff for JEE ATC written exam की cutoff देख लिए तो in the year 2018 general cutoff was 87, OBC 83, SC और ST की देखे तो 78.769 and 75.394. And if you look at the 2016 recruitment, you have 71 and 66 for OBC, 65 for SC and 62 for ST. And let us see after the complete process, let us see what is the final cutoff kya thi. It is in 2018. Let's only look at 2018. The general cutoff was 90.19, OBC cutoff was 86.644, and SC cutoff was 81.019, and ST cutoff was 77.64. Now you can assume that in this year, you can probably in 2020, this year, probably you can expect that 2020 or 21, the general cutoff would be somewhere around between 90 to 95, and OBC will be around 85 to 90. It will be probably very near to 90, and it will be probably very near to 95, and SC cutoff will be somewhere around between 80 to 85, and this is from 75 to 80. So इससे तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी। एंड इफ यू लुक एट द रिटन क्वालिफिकेशन, यू जस्ट हैव टू नो द रिटन क्वालिफिकेशन। 87 थी पहले कट ऑफ, नाउ इट वुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 90 to 95 ऑब्वियसली, एंड दिस वुड गो अराउंड 85 प्लस, and this will reach also 80 plus, and this will be somewhere around 78 or 79. So इसकी तरह से पढ़ना पड़ेगा। You have so much of competition now. Previously the competition was very less, and it's very important to know the important topics. Previous question, from the previous question papers, I have analyzed a little and just giving you what are the important topics that you need to learn for the JEE ATC exam. So let us look at that important topics from technical as well as non-technical parts both. Now, if you come to the important topics in the technical session, technical part, you have in technical you have physics and mathematics. You have both physics and mathematics, and in physics, the modern physics is carrying much more weightage. This is very important. You have to read, concentrate on modern physics more, and then you have to read thermodynamics, which is the second important topics, as well as wave and ray optics. It's being given 6 to 8 marks, and electromagnetics also carries somewhere around 5 to 6 marks. So if you look at the modern physics, in physics the very important topic is modern physics, you can expect around 10 to 12 questions, and in thermodynamics you can expect around 5 questions, and in ray and wave optics you can expect around 6 to 8 questions, and in electromagnetics you have 4 to 6 marks. Now let's look at mathematics. If you look at mathematics, the calculus part is very important. You'll somewhere get around 13 to 15 marks every year, and linear algebra is the second most important. You can expect 4 to 6 marks, and numerical methods is the other important. Apart from the other topics, it has 3 to 6 marks, and infinite series also carries much more weightage. This is not the complete syllabus. I'm repeating, this is not the complete syllabus. These are the important topics that we are discussing. These are the important topics to concentrate more. These are the important topics to concentrate more. Do remember, these are not the complete syllabus. This is just the important topics for technical. I told you the important topics for technical physics are modern physics, thermodynamics, ray and wave optics, and electromagnetics. First you have to complete all these things and practice them rigorously so that you'll get good marks, and then you have to concentrate on mathematics. Calculus is very very important. Linear algebra, numerical methods, and infinite series, these are some of the very important topics from which the questions are being framed every year. Frequently you'll get questions from these topics, and the weightage of these topics is more in JEATC examination. This is an analysis from the previous question papers. It is not that you should neglect the other topics, you should also read them, but the majority or the weightage of the questions will be from these important topics that I have mentioned here. Now, let's see the important topics in non-technical part as well. I have analyzed a few of them and concluded that I personally feel in English there were questions on antonyms, synonyms, fill in the blanks, direct and indirect speech, idioms and phrases, jumbled sentences, misspelled words, etc. These were some of the important. These were some of the topics that were given in the English. So concentrate on these topics to score full marks in English. And in reasoning, you have blood relations, directions, coding, decoding, number series, Venn diagrams, analogy, and etc. So do concentrate on these topics so that you'll score good in reasoning as well. Now we'll see what is in aptitude, what are the different types of questions. There were questions on data interpretations, ratios, percentages, simple interest and compound interest, time and work, time and speed, simplifications, ages, averages, trains and boats, etc. So first prepare these topics which are mentioned here, because the questions, majority of the question papers that I have seen have all these topics. And coming to the general knowledge, if you see, there are most of the questions are on static GK, like rivers, dams, books, etc. And there are few questions on current affairs also. So each and every topic is very important, and you have to prepare with a smart work and a plan. So that will definitely give you success, and all the best for each and every student who is preparing for this Airport Authority of India JEATC exam. And all the best, and I'll give you updates regarding this Airport Authority of India. Thank you all. So as I tell you, India's number one study channels, we have Creatrix Gate, Unacademy Gate, Unacademy Gate CE, Unacademy Gate Telugu, Unacademy SSC JE, Unacademy Computer Science, Unacademy Gate Questions, Electrical Junction, Unacademy Engineering Foundation, and Engineering Pathshala, as well as Unacademy Semester Exams. So please do like this video, share this video, which will be very much useful for all the students who are preparing for Airport Authority of India. And you can use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount of 10% on your next Unacademy subscription. And please do subscribe to our channel and click on this bell icon to get more notifications like this. Thank you all. Thank you once again, and all the best for all the students.